Hey everyone, this is CryptoBibbo here and welcome to a brand new crypto video. So today I'm going to explain to you guys how to actually use a bot to benefit from making insane trades and insane profits by trading the recently added coins on CoinMarketCap, okay? So basically, if you're new around here, basically in my channel, I mostly show people how to actually trade recently added coins on CoinMarketCap because this is a new strategy that I discovered that can literally make you insane gains every single day. I'm literally not kidding. It's making me around 500% daily on average. Not financial advice, guys. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, but yeah, I mean, for now, this strategy, since crypto is trending a lot, this strategy has been working tremendously for me. So basically, the strategy is to go on the CoinMarketCap.com website, go on cryptocurrencies, and click on recently added. This will show all the recently added coins that have been added on CoinMarketCap. And as you can see, these prices tend to blow up. As you can see, just added 1 hour ago, up 75%. 1 hour ago, 20% gain. 1 hour ago, 43% gain. 156% gain in 1 hour. Over here, 18 hours ago, 188% gain. Okay, so as you can see, these produce massive gains, but to really maximize on those gains, like I said, you need a bot, okay, that will notify you the second these coins come out on CoinMarketCap, because these prices blow up because there's so many people trading coins on this website. So every time a new coin comes out on here, they just tend to blow up because there's just so much people trying to buy the new coin and trying to find the next Shiba Inu or the next Bitcoin. So by having a bot that notifies you, you really get an edge over the other people by getting in at a low price and waiting it to pump within the day. Okay, so let's take, for example, what happens with the bot is, let's say, for example, let's take this one that got a great gain. Basically what happens is that you get notified here with the bot. I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds, but yeah, you get notified here. So then you can maximize on all these profits over here, because if you're too late to buy in, for example, you bought in over here, you're already missing on so much profits. Okay, so it's not beneficial without getting a bot and without getting notified the second they come out. So basically, the bot that I use is over here. It's called CoinMarketCap Alerts. Okay, so basically, this is a Twitter bot that notifies you the second a new coin comes out on CoinMarketCap. Now, this is a private Twitter. Okay, so to get access, it's going to cost you something to get access to this bot. I'll explain it a bit later how you can actually get access to this bot, but I just want to show you before how it looks like and how it works once you get access to this bot. So you'll need to follow the bot and turn on notifications. You must turn on notifications to get notified either on your phone or on your computer as soon as a new coin comes out. So basically, this is how it looks like. Okay, so it just shows you and brings you the information of every new recently added coin on CoinMarketCap. Okay, so for example, it's gonna look like this. Okay, you're gonna get notified and it's gonna say new CoinMarketCap listing. It's gonna say the name of the token, the symbol of the token, the contract address, and the platform it's traded on. So if it's Binance coin, if it's traded with Ethereum or Solana, and you also have the link. So pretty much, if you want to go quickly and buy the coin quickly, you can just directly click on the link. It's gonna bring you to the coin's page. You can just copy and paste the address on PancakeSwap and instantly buy the coin. Okay, and yeah, just to prove you guys that like it's pretty much instant when it notifies you. So let's take this one, for example, retired token. You would have got notified at 6:54 p.m. on November 14, 2021. So if we go over here, recently added, and where is it, retired token, as you can see, 6:54 p.m. Okay, so it's pretty much instant, guys. Let's see, for example, this one, the token book 651. Let's see, token book 651. Okay, so it's basically pretty much how it works. Okay, you know, over here for me, by the way, it says 651, but it depends where you're from. Okay, the time zones and stuff like that, it's not going to be written at the same time, but it's just to show you an example that it's pretty much almost instant that you get notified. Okay, So yeah, this is pretty much how it works, okay? All you need to do is to follow the account, turn on notifications, but like I said, it's a private Twitter account. So to get access, you will need to pay. So how does this work? I'm gonna explain how to get access to this bot, okay? So basically the first step to do is, like I said, just follow the account, and it's gonna send a follow request to me, okay? Because yeah, you need to get accepted into this private Twitter account to get access to the bot. Now, basically, the cost of this bot is $100. I'm really putting it low as of right now. So more demand there is for this bot, the price may increase. So this is going to be one of the best prices you're probably going to get as the time of this recording. It costs $100. So basically, you can either send money through a PayPal transfer or to a Bitcoin transfer, okay? So I'll leave a PayPal link for you to make a transfer if you're interested into this bot, and I will also leave my wallet address if you want to send the money in Bitcoin instead, okay? Those are the two ways for now that I'm accepting transfers, and yeah. That's pretty much how it works. Now, make sure that when you send, okay, because this is how you get accepted into it, okay, because, you know, people can just randomly follow and not send a transfer or anything. So to make sure that it's actually you sending the transfer and get accepted into it, you got to make sure that once, let's say you use PayPal, okay, so it's going to look like this. You click on send, okay, and let's say like $100 on the note section, okay? So when you got to actually add a note with your Twitter account. So let's take, for example, your Twitter account name is Crypto King. You want on a note to actually put your Twitter name, which for example is Crypto King, then click on continue. So when I'm gonna receive this, I'm gonna actually see your Twitter name. So then I'll be able to actually say, oh, okay, Crypto King, send a transfer. So I'll check on my follow request and accept the Twitter account that says Crypto King, okay? So yeah, because that's the only way I can actually accept you. If I see your note Twitter account matches, for example, your Twitter account that you followed this, you're gonna get accepted. Now, if I'm not the best to explain stuff, but if you want a better explanation, there's always my Discord server that I will leave in a link in the description in the announcements tab. I explain step by step on how to do this. And yeah, feel free to also DM me on Discord if you have any concerns or trouble doing the transfer or getting access to the bot. Feel free to DM me on Discord, and I will be free to answer to you guys, okay? And like I said, you'll get, once you send a transfer and follow the Twitter account, you should get accepted within 24 hours after applying, okay? So sometimes it's not instant, but within 24 hours you'll get accepted to this, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below if you have any, once again, questions or concerns about this Twitter bot. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, guys, and enjoy your cryptocurrency gains. All right, bye-bye.